cake.
Hello everyone, it's me again. I woke up really puffy today. My eyes are really puffy. I look super tired. And so, to freshen the look, I changed my look. Instead of wearing my pajamas, I changed into this t-shirt. It has googly eyes. It's a very cute cookie. Speaking of this cookie, it brings us to today's video because today's video is all about baking. Well, please don't be frightened by what you see just now because they are just purely accidents. They are accidents. It also proves that these 3 recipes that I'm going to show you today are super easy because for someone like me who is not a professional baker, I can still make them, and therefore you can definitely make them. These 3 recipes are matcha scones, banana muffins, and black sesame mochi balls. Please look forward to the following few minutes of the video. It's getting serious here. No bloopers, no accidents. Without further ado, let's get started. And now we're going to do a chewiness test. In fact, it's a contest between me and my older brother's mochi balls. In this contest, we're going to see whose mochi ball is gonna break first. Ooh, just look at these mochi balls. They are so chewy. And so, the winner goes to my elder brother. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well for more videos. I will see you next time. Bye!